Welcome to ESL 034-601 Intermediate Writing. This video will show you some of the things in the course that you need to be aware of for the semester, where to click, where to find assignments, and give you an overview of what to expect for this fall 2020 semester. You've probably seen a few of these videos already in your other courses, so I'm sure you're experts at this already. But let me show you some things for ESL 034. Announcements will be posted here, and I will post them probably twice a week. And announcements give you important information, and we'll go over those the first day of class. But anytime you want to find assignments or material for the course, you're going to click Content. And once you click Content, it will bring you to a page that looks like this, where it has information on the left-hand side, and depending on what you click on the left-hand side, will show over here on the right-hand side. So under Getting Started, you'll see the calendar and the syllabus and our policies, and then each of these have their own link. If I want the syllabus, if I want to see how things will be graded, that brings me to a page here showing me quizzes and writing tasks and journals. Then I can come back to that section, and then I come down to Meet Your Instructor, and that's me, and I'm going to link that in my first announcement, and it tells you ways to locate me through Zoom. I'll be putting a link there, through my cell phone for text, and I'll be posting my student hours for you as well. And again, coming back out to Getting Started, you'll find more information about communication. Best way for us to communicate this semester will be through email or again through the text message, and I give you my phone number. Coming back to the table of contents, which is what this is called, you'll see that there are resources for ESL students as well, to the online workbook, which you'll be using mostly in the intermediate reading class. There's a link to the Writing Center, to the bookstore, to virtual support, and even to Grammarly, which we will use when we're writing our paragraphs. There will be 4 modules in this course, and module is like a unit. That's where we can find information. So you'll see our first module, which will be starting probably the second week of the semester, is called the Environment. And you'll be reading in Miss Sada's course, readings that are about the environment. You'll see that the second module is Customs and Traditions, and this is where we'll get to share our own customs and traditions. We'll talk about the readings from Miss Sada's course, and we'll write about some of our own customs and traditions. Next is Discovery and Invention. The computer is probably our biggest invention lately, right? That just keeps reinventing itself. And the last one is Economics. Each unit or module has a different writing that will happen. So we'll be writing paragraphs, we'll be taking writing tests, and you'll be writing in your journal. And throughout the semester, I will be leading you through how to do this, writing topic sentences, giving information, how to use transitions, how to check your own work and revise, and maybe even how to help each other in small groups. I hope that this has been helpful, and if you have any questions at all, you can come to the Meet Your Instructor page, and you can email me. My email is here. You can text me. My telephone number is there. You can also find information up here in Tools through the class list and find me on there as well. Reach out with any questions, and I look forward to working with you this semester in ESL 034 Intermediate Writing.